بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الأمين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين for both grade 5 and grade 6. Today we have a revision of the verbs in French because we're going to have them in our exam this week, so please pay attention. A lot of people they like dealing with the verbs, but some other people they didn't like it, but we have to do it, okay? So please pay attention to teacher. Le verbe être et le verbe avoir. Le verbe être, we have explained this like several times. We have said it's to be in English. Verbe avoir, c'est to have in English. Okay? Alors, le verbe être et le verbe avoir. But before the verbs, we have to revise together all the personal pronouns, les pronoms personnels en français. Alors, on a je, which means, let me write it here. Je means I. Tu means you, but we have said it's with singular. In English, we would use you with both singular and plural. I'm going to talk to one person, I'm going to say you. I'm going to talk to 100 million people, I'm going to say you. Okay? Then we have il, he, and we have elle, she. Then we have nous, we. Then we have vous, which is you, but for plural. You for plural. Then we have il avec s, which is they for males. They for males. We have explained this, my boys. Okay, in English we would use they for both males and females, but in French, no. We have il, they for males, and we have elle, they for females. Alors j'ai je, I, tu, you singular, il, he, elle, she, nous, we, vous, you plural, il, they for males, elle, they for females. Let's move on to the verb itself. Alors j'ai ici je suis, I can say je suis un garçon. Je suis un garçon. La liaison. Je suis un garçon. Tu es mon ami. You are my friend. Alors je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. I'm talking about one person with tu. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are, mais avec le pluriel. See, you are plural. Ils sont, they are with males. They are. Ils sont mes amis. They are my friends. Okay? And we have they for females, which is elles. Elles sont. Oui. Alors on a je suis, I am, tu es, you are, il est, he is, nous sommes, we are, vous êtes, you are, elles et ils sont, they are for both males and females, ils for males and elles for females. Let's move on to le verbe avoir. J'ai, I have. J'ai deux voitures. I have two cars. Tu as. Of course, you have for singular. You have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have, but for plural. When I'm talking to a lot of people, ils ont, they have. Et elle, ont, they have for females. Ok? Alors, je vais dire j'ai, I have, tu as, you have, il a, he has, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have, ils ont, they have, et elles ont, they have, but il with the males and elle with females. Vous avez with a lot of people when you are addressing a lot of people, and tu as when you are addressing one person. I hope that to be and to have are clear now because I really need those verbs in the exam. Now I have an exercise here avec le verbe être. J'ai son, être, somme, et, est, et, es, et suis. Alors, it's too easy if you learned the verb. Il dans le bureau. Il est dans le bureau. Okay? He is in the office. Okay? Tu es en classe. You are in the class. Je dans la cour. Playground. Je suis dans la cour. Nous à l'école. Nous sommes à l'école. Elles, females, of course, dans la cantine. So the canteen, we don't have it here in Saudi Arabia. We have it in Tunisia. We have it in France, which is a place where you go to eat during the school day. Okay? Alors, elles, comme ils au pluriel, elles sont dans la cantine. Vous êtes où? Where are you? Vous êtes où? Alors, avec il, on a utilisé i, et, est. Avec tu, on a utilisé et, es. Avec je, on a utilisé suis. Avec nous, on a utilisé sommes. Avec elle, on a utilisé sont. Et avec vous, on a utilisé êtes. Please, vous êtes, of course. Please do pay attention to this exercise and do pay attention to verb avoir to. Okay? Thank you so much. It was an honor. See you tomorrow. God willing. Goodbye.